Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're exploring eternal success, specifically the hereafter, drawing from, key Quranic verses and hadith, or looking beyond just paradise into the graded system of reward. What's the real triumph?
Exactly. Our mission today is to really unpack that. The sources make it clear. Success over there, it isn't just on or off, it's tiered. Surah At-Taghabun kind of sets the scene, right? Allah created everything with truth, shaped us, and crucially made us as both believers and, well, disbelievers.
And it mentions the day of raising is certain.
Absolutely. Accountability is baked in from the start.
Right. So that accountability leads straight to sorting people out. Let's talk about the day of assembling. For believers who did good, well, the basic rewards sound amazing already. Things like having bad deeds wiped clean, getting into eternal gardens.
And immortality, that's a big one. Life without death.
Yes, immortality. That seems like the ultimate comfort, the entry point.
It is, but, the grading starts right there. If you look at Surah Al-Waqiah, it lays out these three distinct groups on Resurrection Day. You've got the owners of the fire, obviously. Then those on the right hand, the generally good believers.
Okay.
And then, critically, there are the foremost in the race. The top tier, you could say.
The strivers, the prominent ones. And even for the right-hand group, the standard sounds incredible. Surah At-Taghabun talks about gardens, springs, silk clothes, tons of fruit, total safety.
Yeah, a guaranteed serene life. It explicitly says they taste not death therein, save the first death. So, permanence.
Okay, so if that's the standard, why aim higher? What makes someone strive to be foremost if eternal safety and luxury are already on the table? What could be better?
Well, that's the core of it. The highest reward goes beyond the physical comforts. The foremost, the prophets, the martyrs, the really truthful ones, they're headed for Jannat al-Firdaus.
The highest level of paradise.
Right. And Surah Al-Waqiah gets really specific about their setting. It talks about being brought nigh, close to alive, in gardens of delight, reclining on these special couches, served by immortal youths with drinks from a pure spring. And get this detail.
What is it?
It causes no aching head or madness.
Wow. That's specific. It speaks volumes, doesn't it? Removing even that kind of basic human discomfort.
Yeah.
But wasn't there something even greater mentioned? Surah At-Taghabun says something is greater far than the gardens themselves.
Exactly. That's the absolute peak. The supreme triumph isn't the place, it's acceptance from Allah. It's the state of mutual satisfaction. Allah is pleased with them, they are pleased with him. Surah Al-Ma'idah mentions this.
Okay, so divine pleasure.
Yes. And this acceptance, it links directly to an additional reward, the one the traditions confirm, which is the actual vision of Allah, seeing him.
Now that is proximity. That's closeness on a different level entirely.
Absolutely. And the traditions even describe how clear this vision is. The Prophet, peace be upon him, compared it to seeing the sun or the full moon on a cloudless day. Just perfectly clear.
No ambiguity.
None. And another hadith mentions that those in the highest rank, they get to see their Lord twice a day, every day.
Twice daily, so there are levels even within that ultimate experience.
Precisely. It underlines the whole graded structure.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for us, for you listening? This deep dive really shows that divine justice includes different levels of reward based on how we lived. It goes from guaranteed eternal luxury all the way up to being foremost. But the ultimate success, the common thread, seems to be that closeness, that acceptance by the Creator.